Hi, this is Phil with Castle with a super quick tip. When you're assembling your pocket joints and you're experiencing splitting in the opposing piece that you're screwing into, maybe that's due to a super dense hardwood, or maybe it's a problematic composite like some plywoods, or maybe it's due to the fact that the pocket is close to the end of the board. So I've got a solution for you. Let's zoom in and take a look and see if we can keep your project on track. So I have a sample pocket joint here that I'm going to use to demonstrate the process. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take a small drill bit, we're going to go through the existing pilot hole that the Castle pocket machine has already created, and we're going to drill a pilot hole into the opposing piece. And what that's going to do, it's going to virtually eliminate any sort of splitting of the wood that may occur when we go to assemble this joint with screws. And what we're going to use is a 3/32 of an inch, 6-inch long drill bit that can be acquired from us at castleusa.com or other suppliers like mcmaster.com. So I just want to note that it's always helpful to clamp a stop block to your workbench to aid not only with assembly but also with this drilling process. As far as drill bit depth, that depends on two things. One is going to be the web. That's the distance between the end of the board and the bottom of the pocket. The other one is going to be the length of screw that you're using. For this particular sample, I've determined that based upon the web and the screw that I have, I can use the twist part of the drill bit, which is approximately about 1.5 inches, and I'll use that point as my depth stop. Of course, you can use a piece of tape, whatever your favorite method is. So we're ready to drill our extended pilot holes and assemble the joint. So I'm going to use my thumb to hold both boards in position. We're going to put the drill inside of the existing pilot hole. In order to achieve the correct angle of entry, we're going to need to put a slight bend in our drill bit. We're going to achieve that by twisting our drill. The drill bit should basically be right in the top side of the pocket. I'm going to drill it at a slow to medium pace. And here we go. Here's number one. Number two. There's our pilot holes. Now we're ready to insert our screws. I'm going to be using a drill driver with a low clutch setting. So there we have it, a nice flush joint with no splitting in the opposing piece. So I hope this super quick tip helps you out with your pocket joinery. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at castleusa.com. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.